Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up webhooks using VPS endpoints and Ngrok, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a virtual private server, or VPS, set up and running. Log into your VPS using SSH. Next, update your package list to ensure you have the latest versions of installed software. Use the command sudo apt update. After the update completes, install any necessary dependencies for your project. This may include software like Node.js, Python, or any other relevant development tools. Follow by installing Ngrok by downloading it from the official website. Extract the downloaded file using the appropriate command for your operating system. Move the Ngrok binary to a directory in your path. You can do this by running sudo mv ngrok/usr/local/bin. Now, you need to authenticate Ngrok by signing up on the Ngrok website. Copy your authentication token provided in your Ngrok dashboard. Return to your VPS terminal and run the command ngrok auth token your _auth token. Replace your _auth token with the token you copied. Decide what service you want to expose through Ngrok, for example, a web server or an API. If you're using a web server, start the server on your VPS. You can start a simple HTTP server using a command like python 3m http.server 8000. Now, with your web server running, open a new terminal window to start Ngrok. Run the command ngrok http 8000. Ngrok will now generate a public URL that tunnels to your VPS. Copy the generated URL, as this is what you'll use as your webhook endpoint. Next, go to the application that will send the webhooks. In the webhook settings, paste the Ngrok URL you just copied. Make sure to test the webhook to verify it's working as intended. Monitor the Ngrok terminal for incoming requests. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the requests being logged there. You can also configure more advanced features in Ngrok according to your needs. Remember to keep your VPS and Ngrok running to ensure the webhook continues to function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.